Dear student, welcome back to Dr. Srikanth Pharmacy channel. Please like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon for the latest pharmacy video. So today I came with the topic the salivary excretion of drugs, and also it's called as a salivary cycling. So this is another route of excretion in a non-renal route. Okay, it is also very much important for the excretion of a drug or its metabolites through saliva. Okay, so salivary excretion, majorly the two mechanism is there. One is a passive process, another one is an active process. The majority of the drug which follows the passive process, and the salivary excretion is predicted by mainly one is a pH partition theory. Unionized and lipophilic drugs are commonly excreted in the form of its excretion as a salivary excretion. It also depends the pKa and pH of the saliva and blood. Okay, so the average pH of the saliva is 6.8. So when come across pH partition theory, what is this meaning? Means the tendency of acidic drug accumulate in the basic fluid compartment and vice versa. So that tendency will be there. Now basic drug will be accumulate in the acidic compartment. So that tendency is called as a pH partition theory. And mainly this salivary excretion will be determined by using a salivary concentration divided by the plasma concentration. So it found that the less than 1 for the weak acid and greater than 1 for the weak bases. Usually the basic drugs are more excretion compared with the acidic drug in saliva. So the caffeine and theophylline and phenytoin are commonly the example which excreted in the salivary by the passive mechanism. So penicillin and phenytoin which is excreted by the active secretion. So the bitter taste after the excretion of the drugs will be assumed. So what happened when you taken any tablet, initially sweetness will be more, after that sweetness will be reduces. The reason behind that the sweetness will decreases means it indicates that drug is excreted in the saliva. So sometimes this salivary secretion is also inhibited, and thereby the dryness of the mouth will be takes place. So when it is across the decreases in the excretion of the particular drug, and salivary excretion can be best explained by the cyclic process. For example, when you administered oral administration, it goes to the GIT, and through GIT, if it is the unionized and lipophilic are there, it is excreted from our body, or it goes to the blood and again distribution and elimination takes place. Again it come back to the salivary and again GIT, again it is an elimination from our body. So this process is called as a cyclic process. Dear student, आज हम ये बता रहे हैं salivary excretion of drug और salivary cycling मतलब क्या हो जाता है. ये one route of excretion for the drugs. So non-renal excretion example are the salivary excretion. Okay, so this salivary excretion ज़्यादातर passive process और active process में हो जाता है. Commonly salivary excretion कैसा predict करते हैं बोले तो pH partition theory, unionized and lipophilic drug जो रहता है ना वो salivary excretion हो जाता है. ये जो salivary excretion is also depend upon the pKa and pH of the blood and saliva. Average pH of the saliva is 6.8. So this can be determined by using a ratio salivary concentration divided by plasma concentration. ये जो पता करता है less than 1 for the acidic रहता है drug का और greater than 1 for the weak bases के लिए रहता है. So ज़्यादातर basic drug जो रहता है ना, weak basic drugs more excretion through the saliva compared to the acidic drug. Caffeine, theophylline, phenytoin जो रहता है ना, commonly the passive excretion will be takes place. Penicillin and phenytoin will be active process. जैसे हम लोग कौन सा भी दवा लेने के बाद इनिशियली बहुत स्वीट रहता है, बाद में थोड़ी बार देर के बाद वो बिटर टेस्ट परसिस्ट होता है. इसका मतलब क्या होता है बोले तो जो ड्रग रहता है ना वो सलाइवरी एक्सक्रीशन हुआ रहता है, इसलिए ऐसा हमारे को महसूस होता. और ज़्यादातर सम ड्रग्स लेने के बाद जैसे एंटीबायोटिक लेने के बाद हमारा ड्राइनेस ऑफ द माउथ विल बी टेक्स प्लेस. सो एट द टाइम ऑल्सो द रेट ऑफ एक्सक्रीशन विल बी डिक्रीजेस. ये जो साइक्लिक प्रोसेस रहता है ना, इसको स्कीम से बताएंगे आपको को। जैसे ओरल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन लेने के बाद जीआई जाता है, जीआई जाने के बाद फीसिस से एलिमिनेशन होता है, और जीआईटी जाने के बाद ब्लड में जाता है, उसके बाद डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन होता है और एलिमिनेशन होता है, और साइक्लिक सलाइवरी ग्लैंड्स को आ जाता है, उसके बाद जीआईटी, ऐसे प्रोसेस होता है ना, इसको साइक्लिक प्रोसेस बोलते हैं। सो मैं समझता हूँ ये क्लास से आपको बहुत ही सरल से सलाइवरी एक्सक्रीशन ऑफ द ड्रग मतलब क्या हो जाता है। थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो।